What's up guys, and welcome to my video, and today we are going to play Stick Wars Saga. So we are gonna go in quick play. So let's go to the campaign and let's go to the other campaign. So I just nearly defeated the matches before, so that's pretty good right now. So the sleeping wumps. So I already know this, so let's do this. So I'm excited right now. I'm really so excited. I hope we're in this. I hope. There's a monster everywhere, so we need something that really more powerful. So we need some sword rod. It's because my dad told me that this is a technique. So I'm gonna go buy them. Go buy the sword rod. He said it was a technique, so it's pretty good. Okay. I hope they are not picking up, okay? So we are gonna be very quiet. And we need some Archidons too, because we need that really. No, they are breaking up. This is rage. We are using a rage ability. If there was a waking up thing, it's called a wake up. Okay. So if they're waking up, so I'm gonna click that rage ability because it's so useful. It's so much useful. Right? Because the rage, all of that is a lot of damage, guys. So they are a lot of waking up. I'm gonna save it for now, guys. So wait. Yep, there it is. There it is. Now we are gonna use the rage ability. Yep, he's getting destroyed. Yeah. So it's easy, guys. It's so easy. Come on, I'm a pro at this game, guys. So don't worry about me. Yeah, I hope. Okay, let's go. I'm pretty sure we are in the ice island. Okay.
Zerek's map has led us to the borders of the glacial uprising. Their Archidons are harnessing some interesting powers. We shall add them to our growing army.
Okay. There was an interesting power that there's the sky over there that in the top. So they are gonna rainfall the thing. There's the cloud thing, so they are gonna raise some ice cone to slow the enemy, to slow our army. So they are pretty useful right now. So we need some miner and sword rock. Okay. Let's check out the base though. So it's really dark out there. I don't know what they're doing. Bro, they are already attacking. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. So we are gonna retreat, guys. That's really not okay. But they are dying too much. Okay, so much.
Defend.
So we are gonna upgrade. Okay, we are gonna upgrade some the temple ability cooldowns. Okay, we need that. And we also need the Archidons too and some spirits. And we are gonna defeat the army, okay? We are gonna be so powerful, guys. Yeah. Okay. So we need some spirits, but we are gonna save it for later. So we are gonna go. Actually, we are gonna go max it out, but we have not enough crystal. I didn't even realize that. Here it is, guys. This is the thing. The snow squall. The snow squall. Yeah, this is the thing, guys. So we are gonna choose. And the minor, yeah, they are not. They need to work out. But we need some spirits. Because they are the army are so powerful. Okay, the mine some gold quest completed. Okay, I'm gonna go and collect that, but we are gonna go into that thing, the level. Okay. So we are need some a little bit diamonds. So we have a 450. So we have a 450. So let's change that a little bit. Let's go click the crystal. Yeah, it's a little bit more some crystal. Okay. Need some archidons. Oh. Wait, what? Oh no, oh heck no, bruh. Attack, bruh. Attack, bruh. Okay, they are. Sorry, hey.
Miners, man the fort.
They are a little bit dying, but they're still okay. Okay. So we need some spirits with 5 because they're tank. So we definitely need that. So let's not do that. Let's go to the armor. Let's do this. So they are definitely in the tower. So we are gonna attack you guys. Nah. Come on. Bro, that ability is so powerful. So what they are definitely working on. That's pretty good. Now I'm gonna complete the thing. That. So we are gonna complete this the temple, but it's taking a little while right now. So this is gonna be a 1 minute or 2 minutes, but 10 seconds. I don't know. Let's check out the tower, but I can't see anything because there was a fog. Oh my.
Man the fort.
But we need to restrict around. So we need some 2 spiritants and 2 archidons because we really need that. Okay, you just don't want to see me go to wait to pull it up. So we are gonna go skip this. So we're done. So I hope you. So I'm sorry guys for did not show you the fight scene. So I'm sorry guys. So I hope you don't get mad at me, okay? So we are gonna go and do this. And we definitely need that. So we need something. That's bubble thing. Yeah. And we definitely not need the rape. So we are need the lightning storm. So we are gonna go.
It's an ambush. Their spears are huge and glowing.
Okay, we're gonna go defeat the spirit things in the tower. It's an ambush, guys. It's an ambush. So I hope we are going good. So it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes, that is 50 seconds. Charted Spike. So it lots of 10 damage and level 2 enables. So Spirit and Spawn. While holding the center tower, spawn and Spore Spirit can only be used in every 20 seconds. Yeah. Good. Sorry guys. So we need some sword rod. And we definitely go and buy some forge for 10% damage. But we don't have gold. So we don't have enough gold, guys, so I know. Bro, why this is this? Okay, we need some archidons because there was a 2 archidons. Okay, so we are not going. So we are gonna go and have a 2 archidons because we need that. Okay, you don't want to watch me to be able to. So we're done. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So sorry guys. So you're not seeing the fight scene. I'm so sorry guys. So I'm sorry guys. So I hope we are hitting the 100 subscribers. Okay, we need some 100 subscribers, please, guys. So we have an enchanted spike. Yeah, we definitely need that. So there's gonna be a boss tomorrow. Okay, there's gonna be a cutscene right now. So I hope you're watching this video and like and subscribe, guys. So I hope you I hope you have a great family video, guys. So welcome. So bye.